In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs for effortless transcription using their built-in voice typing tool. Whether it's turning an important meeting or inspiring lecture into a text format, transcription can be incredibly helpful in organizing and reviewing information. So let's dive right into how you can streamline this process through Google Docs. First things first, you'll want to open a new Google Docs document. Start by heading to docs.google.com and ensure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're there, simply click on the large plus blank button, which will open a brand new document where you can begin your transcription journey. Now that your document is ready, the next step is to access the voice typing tool. Take a look at the top menu bar where you'll find an option labeled Tools. Click on that and then select Voice Typing from the drop-down menu. You'll soon see a microphone icon pop up on the left side of your document. This is your gateway to converting audio into text seamlessly. Before you click that microphone, it's vital to set up your audio or video for transcription. Ensure that your computer's microphone can pick up the sound clearly to avoid any missed words or garbled text. You have a couple of options here. Either play the audio or video directly on your device, or for improved sound quality, consider using a virtual audio cable tool to route the audio internally. This can significantly enhance the accuracy of your transcription. Additionally, using headphones or positioning external speakers close to your microphone can greatly benefit the clarity of the audio captured, leading to a more accurate transcription. Alright, now that everything's set, it's time to start the transcription process. To get going, click on the microphone icon. You'll notice it turns red, indicating that the tool is actively listening. Play your audio or video, and you'll start to see Google Docs transcribing everything it hears in real time. This is where the magic happens, but be patient and allow your audio to play all the way through. Once finished, simply click the microphone icon again to stop the transcription. With your transcription now complete, it's time for the final step, editing and formatting. Carefully review the transcribed text for any errors or misheard words that may need correcting. This step is crucial for creating a clear and readable document. Take the time to add necessary punctuation, paragraph breaks, and any speaker labels that might help in identifying different voices or sections of the transcription. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully transcribed audio using Google Docs. It's a great method for converting spoken words into text, all without the fuss of advanced software.